Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the quality of a YouTube video on Android TV. So head over to apps, go to play, and you're up to your app library, open up the YouTube app. So in the user, you'll be playing any video of choice. So we're here to play a video. I'm going to select any video randomly. Any video you do this on should go. Any video you do this on should find it successful. So all you need to do is just select the video. And right here you see me navigating the YouTube page, all these amazing videos, and I'm choosing this video. So how to install FIFA Plus app on Fire Stick. If I click on the video, it begins to play. What I do is I click on the video again to bring up these options. So I have these three bars at the top right. I'm looking for the gear icon. Clicking on the gear icon will bring me quality, captions, video loop, stable volume, playback speed, help, and feedback. So I'm interested in quality. If I click on quality, I can choose a higher picture quality that will just increase the resolution and demand more quality, but still favoring a good internet connection and consistent playback. At the same time, I go to data saver mode, which gives a lower quality. So this will reduce the quality of the image and guarantee consistent playback. Or my favorite option is to go to advanced and choose the resolution you want. So you can use 144p, 360p, 720p, or 1080p. 1080p is for higher quality videos. So if I click on that, you see the resolution change to 1080p, and it says 1080p will be applied to my current video. So if you keep watching, you see an immense increase in the quality of the image, and that's exactly how to do it. So in that tutorial, I've covered how to increase the quality, how to change the quality of YouTube videos on Android TV. If you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.